Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to download and install Grindr. For that you need to open your app store and tap on your source button, and then what you need to do is type Grindr and then tap on source button, and this is our Grindr app, and you will see a get button in this area. Just tap on that and it will prompt you to double click on your power button, and so once you double click it, it will scan your face ID, and after that you will see this kind of interface. That means it is being downloaded and installed, and it might take few seconds or minutes depending upon your network connection. And it's just and its size is 506 GB, and so this could be also a reason why it is taking a bit time to download, but it's not that big size, but I guess my network is slow, so it's taking a lot of time. It's consuming a lot of time. And once you see this, and once you see open button in this area, that means it is downloaded and installed. Just tap on open button like this and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.